Hello, everybody. Namaste and salam alaikum. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. And guys, you are living in a technology era. You are living in a competitive era where you're competing tough with everyone, and performance pressure, peer pressure, it's too high. And today I'm going to tell you how exactly to deal with peer pressure. See, I understand performance pressure do exist, and if you take that in a positive way, it is definitely going to improve your performance. Too much of pressure is, of course, harmful for you. But then, when it comes to peer pressure, when your friends, when your peers pressurize you for something that you're not aligned to, then it's an indication that something is wrong. How exactly to deal in such a situation? This session is exactly for that kind of discussion. So, guys, if you're curious to know about it, hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and stay with me right till the end. Okay, so chalo, let's get started to understand who exactly we call as our peers. So, peers are any individuals along with whom we hang around, along with whom we socialize. It can be your batchmates, your schoolmates, your neighbors, your friends, people who are in your colony, along with whom you chit chat and socialize. So, yeah, this bunch of people are what we call it as our peers. Okay, now mostly guys, uh, our behavior is influenced by our peers. Okay, for example, if my friend has purchased a beautiful lehenga choli for her uncle's wedding, I might also feel कि मेरे मामा जी की शादी में ना I too will purchase some kind of lehenga choli. या फिर if your friend is a topper of a batch, so you will also feel कि I should also study hard and I too want to become the topper of my class, right? So we all are influenced by our friends' behavior, and this influence can at times be positive, and this influence at times can be negative. Okay. For example, when I was in my grade 9, I had some friends of mine who used to occasionally bunk tuition classes, and they were good friends of mine. We used to sit in a group when it came to school. Sitting arrangement मतलब पहले bench पे दो लड़कियां, फिर बाद में और दो लड़कियां, ऐसे we used to have our gang always right from KG up to college. And in school, so like we were gang, but when it came to coaching classes, I was very serious about my studies, but few friends of mine were not, and they used to bunk classes, and they used to always ask me कि चल ना, हम जाते हैं, बंक करते हैं, what will happen, एक ही क्लास तो है, let's skip that. अरे यू आर तो स्कॉलर, तू कर लेगी, चलना. तो I used to be like under terrible pressure कि first of all my heart would say ना Maria, don't do. Secondly, my brain would say what if my brother comes to know, because he was just 1 year elder to me, कि भाई ने देख लिया तो क्या होगा. And basically it's like your own heart, it tells you, your inner voice tells you, no, this is right and that is wrong. So there were so many stuffs, and this was one amongst it, कि my heart always told me, my inner voice always told me कि Maria, don't fall prey to all this pressure. Your friends will pressurize you, but you should say no. But this was like some 15-20 years back. Today I'm 33. I'm telling you an instance of when I was 14 or maybe 15 years old. So, guys, now in these many years, people, children, teenagers, their behavior and the way they pressurize, it has changed a lot. But what has not changed is the impact that which puts on your mindset, on your thought process, right? See, guys, when it comes to peer pressure, and when it's a pressure uh, which actually pushes you to pick up some negative habits, it's actually very bad. What if I tell you that 82% of the teenagers worldwide pick up bad habits like taking illegal drugs, alcohol abuse, smoking, etc., just because they gave up to peer pressure? मतलब दोस्तों ने प्रेशराइज किया इसलिए स्मोक किया, इसलिए अल्कोहल लिया, इसीलिए इलीगल ड्रग्स भी किया. 82. Unbelievable, shocking, yet true. So, guys, how exactly to identify whether we are being peer pressurized or not? कि भाई हमारे दोस्त हमें प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं या नहीं? Simple. Keep a watch on your friend's behavior. Ask yourself, are they pressurizing me? मतलब if they're pushing you unnecessarily when you're saying it no, so yes, they are pressurizing you. Clear indication, right? And when you say no, they laugh at you, they mock at you, they coax you, they persuade you. मतलब they try everything, sam dam dand bhed, so that you are doing that particular thing, है ना? So yes, it's a clear indication that you are peer pressurized. स्टिल इफ यू से नो कि ठीक है हंस लो, मुझ पे मजाक उड़ा लो, मेरा मुझे नहीं बंक करने का है, हाँ ठीक है मैं हूँ डरपोक तो मैं हूँ डरपोक, एंड देन दे आउटकास्ट यू. ठीक है, टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स यू आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रुप. They will not talk to you, they will ignore you, they will block you, they won't pick up your calls, they won't respond back to your messages. Indication that you are peer pressurized. Now, amidst all these things, guys, I would like to highlight that there are two type of peer pressures: positive peer pressure and a negative peer pressure. Negative peer pressure is a clear indication where your peers pressurize you to go and practice some stuffs which are poor choices, which are bad choices, which are negative choices, like drinking alcohol, drug abuse, smoking, bunking the class, lying to your parents, and so many other stuffs. And when I talk about positive peer pressure, they pressurize you to do something which you feel कि यार ये मेरे से नहीं हो सकता, I can't do it. This is not my cup of tea. But your friends will come and tell, why can't you? You can definitely do. You can fight, my friend. You can definitely win this battle. That kind of pressure. So let me tell you one instance. I was in my grade 12. I had recently shifted to Mumbai, and my mom was not at home. She was a professional singer and she was out on a tour, and I was at home. My brother, who's not interested in studies, so he never bothered about my studies as well. And we had a PG at my place, ठीक है, paying guest, and she was very studious. And in my prelims, I failed almost in all these subjects badly except for biology. Okay, and I decided ki I'll fail in my 12th boards. Better I skip the board examination. Oh, completely. She was the one, she told me ki no, you can't give up. You are not a loser. You can do it, you will do it. What happened? You're not clear about the concepts. It is just about scoring 35% marks. You can. See your scores till your class 10. It was fabulous. The only thing is ki you did not invest time. You did not invest your efforts for this 2 academic year. No worries. Even if you sit and study for the last 2 months, at least for 1 month, you can definitely save your one precious year. Please do not give up. You know, she used to manage her timetable in such a way that for 6 hours she used to manage her studies and 3 hours she used to devote for my studies. She gained nothing, but she pressurized me in a positive way that I do not skip my examinations. I take my academics seriously and I make sure that I appear for my 12th grade exams and I also pass that examination. I literally was not hoping कि I will pass. But let me tell you guys, I made through my class 12 with 56 percentage. It's not great, but yes, it's better than having failed or not attempted on my report card, right? That's a different story. Since that point, there was no turning back, and I scored distinction in my graduation, distinction in my post graduation, 95% in my diploma in school management. There was no turning back. But yes, there is always a pressure or a motivation required, and you get the correct motivation with a positive peer pressure. So, guys, how to respond to this peer pressure? Okay, if it is negative peer pressure, how do you handle it? So, first of all, do not be friends with people who apply a negative peer pressure. Don't stand in a situation which makes you feel uncomfortable. Avoid such unfriendly or unhealthy conversations overall. Whenever you feel pressurized, ask yourself ki, is this what they are pressurizing me to do? Is it correct or incorrect? Is it morally right to do or wrong to do? For example, my paying guest who pressurized me to appear for my grade 12 examinations. Was that correct? Yes, that was the wisest decision for me, which was taken back then. Right? Acha, bunking the classes? No. What if my brother finds it out? What if my parents come to know कि उनकी बेटी उनके पीछे क्या कर रही है? No. See, ask yourself one thing. What if my parents come to know about this? If the answer is they will be unhappy, it means it is a negative pressure. What if I take this challenge, I take this pressure, and my parents come to know? They will feel, good beta, at least you are giving an attempt. If that's the answer, then it's a positive pressure. So question yourself how exactly you're feeling. What will your parents think about it? Always be honest, okay? Always be true to yourself. Do not lie. Be honest to yourself. Learn to recognize unhealthy dynamics. See, we get some intuitions, we get some feelings from people who are around us. Some make us feel positive, some make us feel motivated, and some make us feel depressed, some make us feel pressurized, some make us feel we are unworthy of. Recognize. Spend more time with people who influence you in positive ways, who motivate you to learn something new, may it be related to education, may it be pertaining to your passion, who always motivate you. It's very difficult, I know, but learn and practice to say no. No means a no. Find friends who actually support health and well-being. There will be very handful of them who will say कि नहीं यार ये मत कर, this is not good for you. Trust me, that friend will be a real gem to treasure for your entire life. And this peer pressure is not just to you. You can find someone else who is being peer pressurized, who is being bullied. You can be a voice for those batchmates, for those friends, for those peers who are a part of your social company, right? If some situations go out of your hands, do not hesitate to ask for help. I fairly remember when I was in grade 8, my friends bullied me to a terrible extent. They used to drop some weird letters with some threats and all on those chits anonymously, which I used to read every day in recess. And every day I used to cry. And then some day they told me ki our class teacher has come to know about this, and she is very angry that you are behaving in this way. I said, I have done nothing. But they said the teacher feels that you are the culprit. And back then I was not even knowing what is the meaning of culprit. And my friends pressurized me, terrorized me to such an extent that I thought कि मैं ये नहीं झेल सकती. I would commit suicide. I will not, like, नहीं हो रहा यार मुझसे. I was very innocent, sincere kind of girl, first bencher. नहीं हो रहा था बर्दाश्त. And one day na I decided कि I'll commit suicide. But then the same night, my dad is my best friend, and we had a good conversation that night. And I slept, and next day I decided I'll confront and tell my dad everything, whatever has happened. And my dad was a PTA member. He'll have a word with that teacher. And I just told this thought to my friends कि ये जो भी चिट्ठियाँ आ रही है ना, ये थ्रेड्स आ रहे हैं, मैं पापा को बताने वाली हूँ और क्लास टीचर से भी बात करने के लिए पापा को बोलने वाली हूँ. मुझसे ये बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है. या तो मैं ये झेल नहीं पाऊंगी और मर जाऊंगी, या तो फिर लेट माई पेरेंट्स डील विद दिस. दे आर my guardians, they will handle this in a better way. And then my friends were so scared. They came, they apologized. They even apologized my parents. And मुझे हेल्प मांगने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. But like, even if it was needed, and if my father would have came as a person who would help me out in this situation, there was no harm in that. So if you can't take help of your parents, you can take help of your siblings, any cousin, any batchmate, teachers, anyone whom you trust. Do not hesitate to ask for help. And I hope you found this session to be helpful, useful, and you won't ever give up to negative peer pressure. I hope you really like this session. If yes, you know what has to be done. Like, share, subscribe, post me IO. And you can reach out to me on my mail address, that's maria.khan@vedantu.com, and even through the comment section, and share examples where you were peer pressurized. And if you wish to enroll with Vedantu, we have term 2 courses on right now. Don't forget to apply my coupon code, that is MAKPRO to avail 10% additional discount. And that's it for the day, guys. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Love Hafiz, and keep watching Vedant. Bye bye. Ta-da.